So what are we making today?
Come, let me show you.
Nice. Now we're here. What are you showing me? What are we making today?
Okay, we are making 2 types of cakes. We have the vanilla and the chocolate cake. But right now we're going to start with the vanilla cake. So these ingredients are already measured, sieved for those that needs to be sieved, and then they are all measured. So this is butter. This are eggs, sugar, baking powder, flavor, buttermilk, and flour.
Nice.
So now let's start the baking powder.
Just poured in the sugar. Wait, for those that want to learn about this thing, it's time you come for training.
So while this is creaming, to get to the point we need it to get to, we'll face the chocolate cake for now. So now let's go to the chocolate. Right here are the ingredients for the chocolate cake. So we have the flour, we have the cocoa, we have the sugar, we have the baking powder, baking soda, vegetable oil, flavor, milk, egg, and espresso. Okay?
Wait, I just saw, did you say oil?
Yes, oil. Because there are 2 types of cake actually. We have the butter based and the oil based. So chocolate is one of the cakes I make with the oil based. So for more details, please come for your training.
Whoa, I didn't know that. That's new information to me.
For the chocolate cake,
I love the smell already.
so this is hot water for the espresso, right? So
Okay.
pour this in and make sure that this is melted or brown. And then voila. Also tiny cake, right?
This all new to me.
So already prepared pan.
So what's this paper? This paper?
Part of the secrets of baking. When you come for training, you learn.
I must learn this baking today.
There's a reason for it. So when you come, you'll be taught.
Okay.
Yeah. So voila. That's your chocolate cake in your pan.
Wow.
And then it goes into the oven.
Oven.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So the chocolate cake is we've completed making the chocolate cake. Now we need to face our batter back. That's for the vanilla cake.
Yeah.
All right. So watch me, please. Thank you. If you're observant, you know something is already happening to this butter and sugar.
It's turning to cake.
Okay. Okay. At this point, this is looking very pale and fluffy. It's fluffy enough. We can go ahead. And then it's time for milk. Egg.
And this is
Flour.
okay. Oh, so this is how they make cake.
Yes.
I had no single idea. All I know is it's brown, it's yummy, it's
you enjoy
tasty.
it.
I'm telling you.
And you enjoy it. That's for everybody. We just eat. Buttermilk.
Okay.
So at this point, you do this. Scrape the sides.
Okay. So that the mixture will be comprehensive.
Yes. Then you take it back.
Okay.
You do the scraping repeatedly, so that's
Okay. So the mixture will be good.
yes.
So as a baker, what's your favorite kind of cake?
In terms of flavor, or in terms of design, or in terms of
No, in terms of, enjoying the cake.
I think I prefer the vanilla cake.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And I suppose you prefer your own vanilla cake.
Of course, we like to prefer someone else's vanilla cake.
When you make product and yours is what you enjoy most, that you know that you are in it, you are in the zone. Now, if you didn't have this mixer, what would you have been doing?
With your hand.
Your hand
You do it by
becomes the mixer.
hand. Yes, yes. You use your hand to do it, to finish, to bake your cake.
Yeah,
Some of us started by using hand.
yeah.
So you, as you progress, of course, you start buying. That's why I told you between 100 and 150k, you can actually use it to start. Just buy the major things.
Yeah.
A whisk and your normal. We call it turning gari.
Yeah, I know that.
You can actually, you're done. You can start whipping your butter and your sugar, and before you know, you're done. So, and these days we have very good margarines that whip up very fast. We don't have to waste the whole day whipping up.
Because I started imagining, assuming the cake was like a 10-foot cake. No, the 10-foot is too high. Like a 4-foot cake, that would require a lot of whipping.
Yes, and so that's why I have a bigger mixer. That bigger mixer takes up to 5 kg of butter at a time.
Okay.
So with that, it makes the job easier. Because when you're using this, you're small. This one can only take 1 kg at a time. Okay. This bowl.
Yes.
So, but that other one can take up to 5 kg at a time. So that's why you know, when you start growing in business, you
Yes.
start investing in your equipment. You understand? So that equipment, that mixer particularly is for major jobs like wedding cakes that you know you have to do a whole lot of whipping up and all that. So. See how creamy it is. Let's see. Can you see?
Yeah. That's the la creme, right?
Can you see? So that's it. So into the pan it goes. So this helps to remove the air bubbles in the cake, in the batter rather. So you heat your cake on the surface to make it.
Oh.
Yeah. So it has to be on.
I actually thought you were just leveling it.
Yeah, it also helps to level the cake, but majorly to remove the bubbles. If you look very closely, you see the bubbles are opening up. Are you seeing?
Yes, that's true.
So it helps to remove the air bubbles. So this is done like repeatedly until you feel that there's one bubble here I'm seeing.
Yeah, I can see it.
Good. You see it and it has opened up. Good. So you just do that and then fine. We'll go to taking it to the oven.